says she love it so long. She know what I
So hair relaxers have helped black women, I wouldn't just say black women, I just say women, achieve straight flowing hair since the 1900s when the product came on the market. However, new research has shown that some hair relaxers are linked to several health concerns for many African American women. And now the FDA is considering putting a ban on it altogether. Joining us now to discuss what this could mean for the local beauty industry is Wayne Maxwell of J-Max Hair and Nail Club. Hey, Wayne, morning.
Good morning,
Welcome
Nina.
to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thanks for having me.
Wayne, so listen now. Are hair relaxers still a big part of local business?
Hair relaxers definitely are a huge part of the local hair business. Even with the advent of persons stepping away from relaxers and going natural, hair relaxers are still a major part of the services that are offered in salons.
In salons?
In Jamaica, yes.
Okay. So what is the FDA saying now in terms of, well, I know that over the years there have been some relaxers. I was telling Neville about Jeffries. You're probably too young to know it.
No, but not that young.
Yeah, so I was telling him about Jeffries, that Jeffries was one of the popular ones, but it was so strong that eventually that was taken off the market.
Right.
Have we over the years seen the removal of hair relaxers over time?
We have seen the improvement in the technology of how hair relaxers have been created over the time, right? Over time.
No lie and them.
So, yes, so we have no lie relaxers now. We have relaxers for sensitive scalp. We have relaxers that are geared towards persons that have extra sensitive scalp. They have like dermatological issues, right? So we have relaxers now available that can help with those issues, right? In terms of the ban on hair relaxers, it's not necessarily a ban on hair relaxers per se, right? Because I did some research and I realized that what they're saying is that they're proposing to put a ban on certain ingredients
in the hair relaxer
that are in hair relaxers, right? And also, it's not necessarily the hair relaxers. It also includes hair straighteners, which is when you go into your Brazilian blowouts and stuff like that, that has a high concentration of formaldehyde, because formaldehyde is what it is that they're trying to put a ban on. Right? Because, of course, we know that formaldehyde is highly carcinogenic, right? And it can cause or lead up to stuff like cancer, right? So they are now in the process of, because it's going to take some time before they actually do the ban. Right? So what they're doing is trying to see if it's like a direct causality.
Doing more research.
Right. So they're researching to see if it is a direct causality or there are other things that ladies may be doing that will contribute to getting them to
be diagnosed with cancers and cancer cells. Wow, and that's since the 1900s. One of the things that you said is in terms of the technology, that they're finding different ways to make sure that it may not be so harmful. Because as you said, there are no lies. So research is continuing in terms of what women do with their hair.
Yes, it is continuous, right? So research is continuing to happen. Right? There are companies out there that are dedicated to making sure that they don't harm persons. Right? One such company is Avalon. Right? They are very much into the science of skin and hair. So when they produce products, they make sure that these products are not harmful to the end users.
But if I'm watching and I'm saying, boy, it's a long time I want to move away from relaxers, and now this, I don't even want to see them.
Right?
Are there more and more options for women?
Well, thankfully, like right now, there are options for women women of color.
Yes.
That want to enhance their appearance, right? And straightening their hair is a way of enhancing their appearance. So some of the alternatives, now one main one which I have a lot of confidence in is and go back to Avalon, they have created this system called the texture release, right? So it is it's a texturizing treatment, hair conditioning treatment, right? Which it doesn't contain any formaldehyde, right? It offers you to wear your hair straight or curly, right? And it helps to diminish the amount of frizzing that we would have from our hair type.
It's also, and I'm very happy to say, I think knowledge is power. And I think a lot of African American women didn't know how to treat their hair. Like, they didn't know how to style their natural hair. I'm seeing more of that and more conversations about how you can treat natural hair, wear your natural hair. Is that something that you think will continue to grow, especially here in Jamaica?
Yes, it has been growing.
Yes. And
it is going to steadily progress as the years go by, because women, right now women are, and even the young girls at school.
Yes, they want their natural hair.
Yeah, my daughter and her little friends, all of them, they want to wear their natural hair. Correct. They want to wear it out, right? So what is happening now is there's more information that is being shared that can teach them how to make sure that when they wear their hair out, they have to make sure that it's moisturized, right? So that the frizzing, that is when it starts to poof, they can get to control that, right? And information is now available. More information is available now than back in the Joffreys and stuff days, right? So they have an opportunity now to be able to express themselves with their natural hair, right? And also, there is also versatility, right? So for older ladies, they can wear their hair straight when they want to, right? And they can wear it curly when they want to, right? So there's a lot of versatility now in the market space.
Yeah. And I love it. I love it. People should be comfortable in the way they want to look and how they want to style themselves. And natural hair is beautiful. Thank you.
It is very, very beautiful.
Thank you for being here, Wayne.
All right.
Wayne Maxwell of J Max Hair and Nail Club. Still to come, why perfumes from the Middle East are rising in popularity. The News in 5 is next.